Hey guys, Rookie here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I think I'm gonna pick this Federal here that I recently got from Noctis Modus. Once again, buddy, thanks for the awesome stuff you sent my way. And yeah, this lock was kind of dirty when I got it, so I just did a little bit of cleaning up on it, and have picked it a couple times, and have to say the first time I picked it, it took me forever to realize what feedback I was getting. Put in the vise here and I'll explain. So yeah, like I said, when I first got it, I didn't. I tried not to look at the key, and when I was picking these last pins, I was oversetting number 4, I guess. And I thought that, so I was going for pin 5 or 6, and I thought I was oversetting 5 or 6 when unwillingly was oversetting pin 4. And even knowing that now, it's still pretty tricky. But yeah, I have a hard time telling when I need a deeper hook, basically. Knew I was oversetting something, but I thought I was oversetting the pins that I was going for. But anyway, once I realize that, I can get into it. But still learning how to, you know what I mean, to read your feedback and tell when you need a deeper hook. Speaking of, I've just made this deforest ball yesterday. Yeah, I'm not too fond of the real commercially made deforest diamonds. Reason being is when you get it on an angle that you're picking at, you're using that wide part of the diamond that would be, I mean, it barely squeezes in between 2 pins. Like, it'd be really easy to pick 2 pins. I don't think it was, I don't know, some may give me flack for it, but I don't think it was designed that well. Don't get me wrong, it does have its purposes, and I do like the idea of the curve, that you can go in flat and get under pins and still reach high ones without, say, using a deep hook, if I have one here, that wouldn't go in at all, and even when you angle it, you're oversetting right away on the front. Hope probably didn't explain that clear, but I hope you understand what I'm talking about. When I go in with this, I can reach under. You have a nice length here. Reach under all those pins and not overset with your shaft, and still pick those high cut pins. But anyway, did enough blabbing. I'm just gonna try and get into this now. Getting binding, but I'm not getting a nice set that I would like to feel. Might have got it there. Actually, I'm going to switch to a shorter hook and see if there's anything binding up front. 3, 2, and I think 1 would be the last binder because it's binding pretty hard. So I don't think I picked 4 at all. And I think that's what it did last time too. Not sure if 4 is at shear, or if I'm just picking it with the shaft as I pick 5 or 6. It might only be a 5 pin, actually. I didn't really count. There's 6 cuts on the key, but wow. I wish it was, we don't have very much sunlight today, so the video probably looks like crap. Alright, so that's interesting. Anti-bypass, but I don't think you could bypass this thing. And little adapter here. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the reason I was picking this is because I want to rekey it to a machine cut key. But looking at this core, I think I have the exact same one. I'm not sure, I forget the designation, forget what they're called, but I call it like an Australian key and knob. I forget, it's probably not for a knob, but so yeah, let's see what's inside here. I bet you it's all standards though. Willing to put a pretty significant bet on that. Get printing tray here and key, and let's lower this camera down. That's what I love about this new camera stand. I'm not going to shim it, but I am going to do it like this. Refocus first. Catch any disasters on camera. Ooh, that's tight. That's extremely tight. It's not even wanting to go on any further, but I think I'll drop a pin if I take it out now. Oh no, we got it. So there was only 5 pins. I know all these are going to be standards. Yep. And let's see if we can push this follower the other way. I really jammed that in there. So that's standard. Oh crap, I really forced that in there. Oh, sorry guys. Yep, all standards. There. Yeah. I don't think I'd call that beveling, but I'll show you a quick view of this. Pretty good bitting, even though there wasn't a 6th pin. And quick look at the it doesn't matter if I dump these springs out. Quick look at the Bible and the plug. And stand by a second here. Oh. Yeah, I believe it's the exact same format as this. Yep. This is a BDS plug that I got from Paul Springett. And it's pinned up to 6 pins, I believe. Yep. And wow, this thing is extremely smooth. So I think I'm just going to throw this plug in this lock. I don't see any reason why not to. I mean, I could pin this one up, but I'm not using this one for anything at the moment, so that's probably what I'll do. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. And as always, I appreciate you watching and commenting. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.